Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you a demo of Instagram post scheduling bot. Using this bot, you can schedule Instagram posts for entire upcoming week. In this bot, you can not only set the number of posts you want to make on each specific day of the week, but you can also set the time of the day at which you want to make the post on your Instagram profile. You can also set the content that you want to post at a specific time. Now let me just show you a demo of this bot. Let me run everything from scratch to show you how it works. So I'm going to just run this Instagram bot, and it's going to open a Chrome browser for me. So here you can see it opened the Chrome browser for me and also opened Instagram for me. Now it asks me to log into Instagram and press enter, as I'm already logged in. So I don't need to log in, but if you're using it for the first time, you will have to log in your Instagram profile. I press enter and I get this pop-up. Here you can schedule your entire next 1 week posting schedule. So on whatever day of the week you want to make a post, just select that and enter the time at which you want to make the post and click add. After making this entire schedule for the next entire week, you have to simply click submit and it will start making posts on that specific time of the day. Now the content of the post you can define in here. So if you have any images or media files, you can put it into this images folder. And for the captions, you can come into this captions files and you can define the captions in here. The bot will select the content and the caption from here, and then it will post on Instagram on your profile on your behalf. Now let me show you how this bot is going to actually make a post on Instagram. So today is Sunday and the time is 6:06 p.m. So I select Sunday and I enter the time, which is 18:06, and I click submit. Now you see it says the current time matches one of the times in the list. So now it's going to go to Instagram and it's going to create a post on Instagram. So as you can see, the bot has opened Instagram and selected an image directly from the media folder. Now it's automatically adding the caption that was scheduled for this post. And just like that, it's publishing the post for you. You can see the post has been uploaded successfully. From here, the bot will patiently wait until it's time for the next scheduled post. It will continue posting on your behalf using your Instagram profile exactly at the times you've set throughout the entire week. So with this bot, you can plan your full week of content in advance, and it will handle the posting automatically, saving you time and effort. As you can see, the current time doesn't match any scheduled post yet, so the system keeps running in the background and continuously checks the time. This means no matter how frequently you schedule your posts, whether it's every 10 minutes or multiple times a day, the bot will automatically publish them exactly at the scheduled time. You have full flexibility. You can schedule just a few posts or even hundreds of posts for the entire week in advance. Once everything is set up, the bot handles the rest, consistently posting on your behalf, saving you time, and helping you stay active without manual effort. This allows you to focus on creating content while the automation takes care of publishing, helping you maintain consistency and grow your Instagram presence naturally. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.